So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial.
Today we're going to see how to connect PayPal to Xero. Streamlining your bookkeeping is easy. Here's how to seamlessly connect them together. Firstly, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Xero App Store. Search for Pay Tracker and click Get this app, or use the direct link provided by SaaS and sign up using your Xero credentials and click Connect on the pop-up screen to grant access. Now, to link your PayPal account, inside Pay Tracker, click the Add Payment Accounts Gateway button. If you miss this, go to Settings, then Add Payment Accounts. Select the PayPal tile from the available options, then log in with your PayPal credentials to authorize the sync. If you want more quick tutorials,
And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.